Hello everyone and welcome back to Mila Farms. Well, working on a little issue here with the Christmas display. We noticed this year a couple of these smaller inflatables were starting to have problems with their lights not being illuminated. So we are going to take this one apart today and replace its light bulb. So first thing you want to do is make sure you have identified where the light bulbs are. And in this case, you can see this inflatable just has one light bulb. It's right there where that little clear nub is right here. And so you want to go ahead and deflate the inflatable and then locate the zipper in the bottom of the inflatable. Undo the zipper and then turn the inflatable inside out and locate the existing light bulb. So there is the old bulb that is no longer working. You want to locate the power supply for the inflatable and ensure that it says 12 volts output, just as this one does. So you can pick up on Amazon a set of these replacement lights. There's several different kinds, but here's one option right here, and I'll link to the description. You're gonna go ahead and cut these lights off here. You'll clip it right there, it's already been clipped here, and take one section of lights. You'll also want to get a pack of these shrink wrap connectors as well. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna clip off the wire right here. Leave a little bit of a tail so you can zip tie or affix this new light onto there somehow. And then note the wire that has the stripe on it, that's going to be your positive. And then on the new light, the wire that has the red is also going to be the positive. So go ahead and wire that together using the shrink wrap connectors. Crimp them on and then heat them up with a lighter or something to shrink them up. Before I do that, here's an example of the old light just barely working. And we'll show an example of the new light when it's done. Then make sure before you crimp everything, you check the polarity and make sure the light works. Next, we'll go ahead and crimp it and make the heat shrink connection up with the lighter. Then lastly, there it is all zip tied up, and go ahead and close the inflatable up and re-inflate. And there it is all back together. You can now see the light illuminated inside, and at night it will look much better. So hope everybody enjoyed the video, and make sure you check out the parts in the description. And remember, you can't finish a project without getting started.